Then treasure.
We are gonna go into Joanna's room. I repeat, we are going into Joanna's room. The devil of all devils.
Shut up.
Dum dum dum. Dun 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 dun.
Will you go away? Can I do my homework? Go away. Beth, go away! Go away, Beth! I can see you! Oh, look, hello. Get out, Get out. No, you know I don't. Get out.
Different room.
No, sorry. No.
Why not?
Go away! Beth!
Hello, Ewan.
Hi.
Oh,